Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fill form for 15H for senior citizens. Now it's a very simple process. So let's begin. Now in the first column for the SSS, let's presume you are filling this form for your father. Now the financial year that is currently used for filling this form is April 1, 2023 to March 31st, 2024. Now in the first option what you have to do is let's simply fill up the name of your father. Let's presume you are filling this form for your father. So just simply fill up the details and make sure to enter the name in block letters. Now over here in the second column, just simply fill up the number for your Aadhaar or PAN, whatever you may have. Then over in third column, fill up your date of birth. Now just simply enter the date of birth as the order shown over here, which is day, month, year. So fill up the details. Now over here in the fourth option, enter the financial year. So as of the time I am filling the form, it is 2023 to 2024. Now just simply fill up the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 on your own, because these are basic questions like your address, your primary name, your street address, local area, town, district, state, pin code, email address and your phone number. So let's fill up all the details. Now in the next option, if your father have submitted tax returns for let's say last 6 years, if that is yes, you have to choose yes over here. Now if your father have not submitted any tax return in the last 6 years, just simply choose no over here. And in case if you have chosen yes, you have to enter the assessment year of the latest tax return that you have filed, and if no, just simply leave the B part blank. Now over here in the 15th number, you have to write the total number of interest your father have gained, let's say for FD. So over here you have to write the interest amount of the FD. So enter the amount over here, just like that. Now let's go to the point 16. Now over in the point 16, just simply enter the estimate income that your father will earn in the current financial year. So the current financial year is from April 1st, 2023 to March 31st, 2024. Now make sure it is an estimate, not an accurate. You can just simply write approximately how much your father will earn in this financial year. Now it might be more or less than what you have written over here, but if that's the case, don't worry, because as you can see over here, you have to write an estimate, not an accurate data. So write the estimate over here. Now in the point 17, you have to just simply enter the details if you have any other 15H. Now let's say for example, you have filed another 15H for different bank in different FDs. So if you have any other 15H forms, just simply write the number of the forms over here, then the aggregated amount over here. Now lastly, in the last step, it is very simple. So all you have to do is just simply follow the details that I'm showing you over here. And the column number, you have to just simply write 1. And in the identification number, just simply write the number of, let's say, FD. So over here, just simply write the number for your FD identification. Just simply enter that number over here. Then in the nature of income, just simply write income from interest. Now over here in the serial number, just simply enter again what I'm entering. So the number will be 194, then in bracket A and the small a at that. Now just simply enter the amount of income. It will be the interest over here, the one that you wrote in the column 15. Now in the end, just simply get your father's signature over here. And after that, let's move on to the next page. Now this is a declaration form. So over here again, just simply enter your father's name and make sure to keep it in block letters again. Now over here in the financial year, now enter what the ending of the financial year will be for you. So in this case, it will be 31st March 2024 and the assessment year will be 24 to 25. Now over here, just simply write the place and date. Then in the end, a signature again from your father. And after that, it will be done. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.